guys, it's Lenice and welcome to my channel. Today I will be installing ZRQ butterfly locks that I purchased from Amazon. You will receive 6 packs in your order. Each pack consists of 12 locks, and we decided to go with the color 1B for this install. Okay, so my client hair was pre-braided in the individual illusion braid pattern. We chose this method to cut back on time, and she only wanted to wear it for about 3 weeks. Now, as I am installing the crochet, I am taking my crochet needle and sticking it through the braid and taking the loose end of the lock and pulling it through the loop. Since this was the first time I used this hair, it was a little tricky. These locks are perfectly handcrafted. The loops appear small, but if you stretch it open a little bit, it would allow the lock to pull through smoothly and create the flat base you want to achieve. Open the lock to this size so it will be easy to not only apply the lock to the base, but not cause any tugging or pulling when pulling the hair through the loop. Like this video and want to see more videos like this? Hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos upload. Also, like this video and let me know what other styles you would like to see. I would love your input. Okay, y'all, it's time to get these baby hairs laid. Here's the finished look. I used all 6 packs minus 2 locks and it came out perfect. I absolutely love it and I think she does too. The link to where I purchased this hair will be in the description box below. Hit that like button before you go and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, there will be more to come, more to see with me. Thanks for watching.